Yo, welcome guys, welcome. It's another episode of the Rapping Chef. I have the pleasure of cooking paella straight out of Valencia. Mind you, I didn't do this dish by myself. That's why I said it's an honor to cook this dish. Play the intro.
Perfect.
Welcome back. Alright, so like I said, it was a very special moment. Collaborated with a special chef from Spain. This dish that we prepared together, it's paella. I could explain to you and tell you what paella is, but I had her explain it for us, so she will be so I won't do a lot of talking in this.
Hi everybody, this is Begonia. I'm a chef. I'm from Valencia, Spain. I'm from the Mediterranean coast of Spain. Valencia is the land of the orange trees and the paella. And I'm gonna explain to you just some little things about the paella. The first thing about the paella is that for us it's like religion. In Valencia, every Sunday, if you go on the street or if you go on the countryside, it smells like paella. Every Sunday, families and friends are together, like in the States with the barbecue. Here is the same with the paella. Why do we make paella here? Because we have La Albufera. It's a beautiful lake, very close to the sea. This is a place where the rice grows. So the paella is something that you make with the rice that grows there, the food that you have all around the lake. So that's why it's typical the seafood paella, and also is typical the paella valenciana that is made with chicken, normally rabbit, and different kinds of green beans, real saffron. What does paella mean? Here in Valencia we have our own language that is Valencian, kind of a mix between French, Portuguese, Italian and Spanish. Paella means pan in Valenciano. So if you are talking about we are gonna eat a paella, it's Valencia paella made with the chicken and the green bean. If you are gonna cook any other kind of rice in the paella, then you said this is a rice made in paella. In the States, they call this kind of rice Valencia rice. It's a round rice. You can't make paella, this is forbidden, without extra virgin olive oil, because this rice absorbs all the taste of the stock that you're gonna make. The long rices, the jasmine, the basmati, even the arborio, are perfect but for other cooking techniques, not to make a paella.
You heard the lady. Every country has their own form of paella. In this case, in Jamaica, we do a dish that we call all-in-one pot. Pretty much it's very similar, just the ingredients might be different. Paella is very special in Valencia. I have to reach out to her and acquire the proper recipe. This is a learning process for me as well, because I learned how important paella dish is. It's the Rapping Chef. If you don't know, I'll go on. Is it?